Hey everyone, welcome to Malta. I'm currently in the heart of the island, in the cool and vibrant party district of St. Julian's. And today I'm going to show you the apartment I managed to rent here for a whole 10 days for just 390 euros. Spoiler alert, at 39 euros a day, this is an absolute steal. Let's go check it out. Alright, stepping inside. It's a spacious studio apartment with a classic layout for southern countries. An elongated room opening up to a balcony. There are light glossy tiles on the floor, which is a huge plus for a hot climate. The apartment always feels pleasantly cool. Right at the entrance, we have a cozy dining area, a sleek light colored table and a couple of chairs. Behind it is a compact kitchen area with everything you need to whip up breakfast. Along the right wall, we have a great storage system, a long console and a flat screen TV. By the way, check out this huge full-length mirror. Exactly what you need before heading out for an evening stroll through the bars of St. Julian's. The main area is, of course, the bed. Spacious, double, with no unnecessary details. The overall design of the apartment is very relaxing. Beige walls, textured wallpaper behind the bed, and light wood furniture. Nothing strains the eyes after the bright Maltese sun. And now, for what gives this apartment its sense of space. Huge floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows leading out to the balcony. The curtains are thick, so the morning sun won't wake you up. The view from the balcony overlooks typical dense architecture made of traditional Maltese stone. You step out in the morning with a cup of coffee and immediately feel the rhythm of local life. Let's sum it up. For 390 euros for 10 days, we get a great location, a bright studio, air conditioning, which is a total must-have in Malta, a balcony, and all the amenities. If you ask me, the price to quality ratio is just perfect. And now let's take a look at the bathroom. I know this is a make or break factor for a lot of people when renting, and everything here is just fantastic. Freshly renovated with stylish light tiles featuring a wood or stone texture. Everything is super clean and tidy. We've got a convenient sink and a large mirror. A nice little bonus is the wall-mounted soap dispenser, just like in nice hotels. And the most important part, a great shower cabin behind glass doors. There's plenty of space inside. So, what do you guys think of this place? Would you rent a studio like this for the price? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a like if you enjoy these room tours and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more exciting content from Malta coming your way. See you in the next video.